In this part of the section, I would like to talk about animal welfare for a better poultry farming business. First of all, let's see how you can ensure ethical treatment and humane handling of poultry. High animal welfare standards are essential for both ethical reasons and to ensure productivity. Key aspects include housing and space. Provide ample space for birds to move, express natural behaviors, and reduce stress. Free-range or enriched housing systems are preferable over overcrowded intensive systems. Then, humane handling. Use gentle, stress-reducing methods during catching, transport, and processing. Proper handling reduces injury and improves overall bird health. Additionally, feeding and watering. Ensure that feed and water are accessible, fresh, and provided in a manner that encourages natural foraging behaviors. And monitoring and care. Regular health checks, vaccination schedules, and prompt treatment of illnesses are crucial. Welfare standards also include environmental enrichment, such as perches and dust baths that allow birds to engage in natural activities. Moving on, let's see how you can meet welfare standards for free-range and organic systems. Free-range and organic poultry systems have higher welfare standards due to their emphasis on natural living conditions. First, let's talk about free-range systems. Birds are given access to outdoor areas, which allows them to forage, exercise, and exhibit natural behaviors. Provide access to outdoor areas with adequate space, shelter, and foraging opportunities. Ensure birds have access to clean water and a balanced diet. Then, organic systems. Organic practices restrict the use of antibiotics and synthetic chemicals, ensuring a more natural diet and living environment. Organic certification typically requires adherence to strict welfare and environmental guidelines. Let me share a case study. A poultry producer in Wales transitioned from a conventional intensive system to a free-range model. By increasing outdoor space and improving living conditions, they observed decreased mortality rates and a significant improvement in egg quality. Their commitment to animal welfare enhanced bird health and boosted consumer trust, leading to a 15% increase in sales of their organic eggs. Thank you for being there throughout the whole video. I hope this video was helpful enough for you to understand more about animal welfare. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay connected and good luck.